Hi all, welcome to Divine Euphoria. Anurav here. Hope all of you are doing good. So what is Divine Euphoria? Divine Euphoria is a farmland project. It is after Kanakpura town towards Sangama and Mekidatu. It is exactly 70 km from MG Road. We are telling this distance from MG Road because it is the center of the city. MG Road, Majestic, KR Market and Corporation Circle. So 55 km to Kanakpura town. From Kanakpura town towards Sangama and Mekidatu, it is exactly 15 kilometers. So it is 150 acres agriculture land with 600 plots. We have 500 existing clients in this project. Among them around 25 clients, they have built the cottage already, and another 25 cottage it is in progress. See, farmland means it's a second home option. It's a weekend getaway place where you will buy a piece of land and construct a cottage and spend time with your family, friends, relatives. And you will have many dreams, like constructing a dream cottage, wooden cottage, tent cottage, boat house, mud house, natural stone cottage. So those all dreams will come true. So you will not only construct a cottage, even you prefer to have many plants and you want to involve with organic farming, floriculture and other agriculture activities. Even you prefer to breed birds and animals. For that and all, it is very suitable. See, what is the benefit by owning a farm plot in Divine Euphoria? See, normal investment returns definitely you will get because you are going to invest on the land. So always land will appreciate, land never depreciate. That is a plus point. And how fast it appreciate, that is the main thing. See, if you can see the price chart or graph of Divine Euphoria. See, when we started around 8-9 years back, it was just 55 rupees per square feet. So now we are selling it for 344 per square feet. We increase the price from 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 111 like this. Whenever we complete each and one by one amenities, so we increase 10 rupees. As I told you, it is 150 acres with the 500 plus client in this project. So you may be wondering, so when I complete one amenities, what is that I am going to provide amenities? So let me tell you. So we provide clubhouse, swimming pool, indoor games, outdoor games, temple, library, meditation center, mini golf, paddle boating, fish pond. Apart from this, there will be very adventure activities like rope games, and you can involve with the nature by breeding birds and animals, as I already told you. So what is completed already in this project? You may be very eager to know. See, already we have a compound wall for the 70% of the project. I mean to say, it is gated community with the man security, with street lights and CCTV for the entire project. We have basic amenities like power, like KB power. We have our own solar unit where we generate power. We have windmill also. And water connection to individual plot with overhead water tank with approximately 25 borewells. And main plus point, there is a water canal passing through our project, Arkavati River Water Canal, for the stretch of around 2.5 km inside our project. Throughout the year, we will have a water in that canal, and we use this water for the plants. We pump this water for the plants, for the individual plot. And as I told you, we already have an individual connection for drinking purpose for individual plot. So beauty of this project is it is next to a big hill, okay, and it's like hilly area, entire 150 acres, okay. So you will be able to see at least 200 plus hills from our project, and you can see the distance up to 50-60 km from our project. Even you can see the backwater of our Arkavati Dam. See, why I am stressing and telling you about the distance, to what extent you will be able to see. See, when you are there in the city, when you are there in row house or apartment and all, no? See, when you come outside your premises, so you will be able to see hardly 100 feet, if it is a 100 feet road in front of your living space. Okay. So, with 100 feet, you will be obstructed by the view with the other buildings, commercial buildings, residential buildings and all. So, if you see a far away place by coming to Divine Euphoria to approximately around 40-50 kilometers, and you see the green hills, backwater of Arkavati river and other agricultural activities, automatically your stress level comes down, you know. That is the major plus point of this Divine Euphoria. And you will live in a very good or great community, what I can tell you. See, most of my 500 plus clients are either from the software background or they are the professionals like auditor, advocates, doctors, and in many different category people are there. So you will be able to have a good time with them here. And as of now, when you come here, see, you can see the completed amenities like temple, library, meditation center, herbal plantation, garden, solar unit, storeroom, canteen, few model cottages, plants which is done in the entire 150 acres, natural stone drainage. Okay, and you will be able to ride horse, quad bike is there, cycling is there, fish pond is there, and till you construct a cottage, you can utilize our cottage to spend your weekends, overnight stays in our project, even for the day out activities also. And even we provide tent stay also. Definitely we have a canteen over here, and you will get all kind of veg and non-veg food also, which you can see in our menu. Okay, and here you can see, like on my background, you may be observing the natural stone built canteen and cottages on the both the side. Okay, so we have a boat house here, mud house here, natural stone cottage here, glass cottage here, tent house here, and wooden cottage, and many more. So you will also have a many dream. You want to have a cottage like this and all, no? Those all dream will come true here. And as I told you, it is not only a resort or simple homestay or cottage stay. It is a nature stay along with adventurous activities plus with birds and animals. Right now we have ostrich, emu, ducks, geese, rabbits, guinea fowl, buffalo, horse and all. Okay, definitely when you come here, you will have a good time with them by feeding and grooming. And it is just a 70 kilometers from center of city, MG Road, as I told you, and it is on the south side of Bangalore, where you will find maximum greenery with a very good water table in the ground. And this project is very close to many picnic spots like Sangama, Mekerato, Chunchi Falls, Hoganekal Falls, and Muttatti, and many more. You can see the nice breeze, you can feel this nice breeze and good rain. So beauty of this project, when you come here and stay, experience, and then you can take a decision whether to buy or not. This experience to have very difficult in many projects. And as I told you, price is 344 per square feet right now. It is slightly negotiable, which is a very good, very competitive price when you compare with any other farmland around, in and around Bangalore. Not only with the price I am comparing, with the amenities and the location and the proven thing that here there are 500 existing clients. Among 525 people already built the cottage. I mean, I have constructed the cottage for them, and another 25 cottage it is in progress.